Hello friends, welcome to Club Crafteria. If you are new to this channel, subscribe my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. In this video, we are going to see how to count the number of rows when we are working single crochet in the back loops. So if you see in this piece, I have worked single crochet only in the back loops. Now let's see how to count the rows. So this one will be the first row and you can see a bulge one here. This is the second row and the third row will be this one, which is bottom of this bulge. So you can see it, this will be the third row. Next the bulge will be the fourth row, and next the bottom of this one fifth, sixth, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. So this is how we have to count the rows when we work single crochet in the back loop. So here if you see, you are having 35 rows. Now let me tell you one more time how to count the row. So this one will be the first row. Next one, this bulged one will be the next row. And the next row will be the one which is below this bulged one. So if you turn your work like this, you can see this will be the next row. And next one is a bulged row. If you do your work like this, you can see this will be the next row. So likewise, you will be counting the rows. If you turn your work, first one, this will be the bulged one, will be the first row. Next one here, which is inside second. Next bulged one third. Next this one will be fourth. Likewise, we have to count. So friends, I think you must be clear how to count the rows when you have worked single crochet in the back loops. So if you like this video, like, share, comment this video and also subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. Thank you friends.